In a quiet Gurukul, there lived a wise guru named Srimant. Though he had guided countless batches of scholars, his heart often returned to the memory of one specific student named Satya. He spoke of Satya so frequently that a current student, fueled by a mix of curiosity and ambition, eventually asked what made Satya so special. The boy even promised that he would do even more than Satya had ever done to prove his worth. Srimant ji listened patiently and, instead of giving a direct answer, assigned the boy a task. He told the student to go to a nearby village, find a carpenter named Sambaya, and teach him the Vedas within 3 months. The student set out with confidence. Upon finding Sambaya, he respectfully offered to share his sacred knowledge. However, the carpenter simply laughed. He explained that half his life had already passed and he was perfectly content with his woodwork. He felt no need to learn anything new at his age. The boy did not give up easily. Day after day, he returned to the workshop, using every ounce of his sincerity and respect to motivate the old man. Yet, no matter how hard he tried, Sambaya's mind remained unchanged. Finally, the 3 months ended. The boy returned to the Gurukul, frustrated. He told his guru that the mission was impossible, noting that the carpenter had no interest in learning. He even mentioned that Sambaya told him that Satya had once come with the same request and had also failed to teach him a single word. It was then that Srimant ji smiled and revealed the hidden truth. He confirmed that while it was true Satya couldn't teach the carpenter, Satya's greatness lay in what he did instead. The Guru explained that during those 3 months, when Satya realized the carpenter would not learn from him, Satya chose to learn from the carpenter. He sat at the man's feet, observed his craft, and mastered the art of carpentry. Srimant ji concluded that this was the mark of a true student, the humility to remain open and the wisdom to find a lesson in every person and every situation. That, he whispered, was why Satya remained his most cherished disciple.